can't tell the difference between fog and the water.
True. Yeah.
Now you can see water.
Hey guys, so it's been a good day. My big brother here, even though like it's so sunny and he's driving, he's busy, I don't want to bother him. But true.
Now build the houses here. Much better than before.
True.
It's here.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe this is the factory to produce the fertilizer.
Ah.
Yeah, the fertilizer factory.
Yeah.
这找不摸鸭了，我好久都没。
去吧，不要，不可以，过来。
过来，走了。
我要看鱼啊！
Guys, as I move in this district, like there are so many traditional things and also so many local people, and then like they're just like seeing like a foreigner, like me for the first time, and they're so excited. Like it's so nice and interesting. There's a place where you can drink the wine from and enjoy the adventure on.
现在进不去，改成了爸爸妈妈、舅舅、舅妈一起带你过来玩。
Guys, so I am now going to check on the food area.
吃饱从这下楼梯。
We're just like in this beautiful place, like for the games and playing adventure, but it's so traditional. So get up the stairs to go down, and this is how it looks like here.
Please, be careful.
Oh sure, sir. Thank you. The infrastructure is so beautiful and interesting. 你好. So we're going in search of Chinese foods now. Oh, this is
Yeah, this is.
Mr. Mao Zedong.
Yeah, let me show you guys the 窑洞。
Yeah,
Right.
this is like some traditional places.
窑洞。
Hey guys, so
There is a door, right door.
some traditional stairs for going up. And I don't know what's here, but it's such a beautiful. To try the one in the Chinese traditional foods. This is such a beautiful place and so traditional. It's my first time to come to a Chinese cave, and I hope I'm not gonna be disappointed after trying the delicious food from here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wait a moment, let me show this position.
Yeah, and this
You know,
Yeah.
these restaurants are all closed during the week.
yeah, the person.
What a pity, right? But we have to find the
Yeah.
chance
And it's really beautiful. If we try to come here,
Yep.
it's really nice. But I hope we're gonna find something to eat. Yeah.
这是马尾椅。It's so traditional.
Yeah.
Let me.
I'm coming.
这是马尾椅，马尾椅。
Hey guys, welcome to my video. So today I visited the traditional place where I tried different kinds of Chinese foods, and that's how the infrastructure looks like. It is so old and traditional, like you can see from the bottom to the top. And then if we come here, we also have like this kind of beautiful traditional infrastructure together with the old roofing of the restaurants. As you can see there, we just had a meal like in those areas. And thank you so much for watching my video, and see you in the next one. Goodbye! For the most traditional foods like here in China, and we're just trying to enter the cave. And they have this kind of traditional chairs. Wow.
Have you ever seen these chairs?
No, it's my first time to see something like this.
Sit there.
Hey guys, so today I just visited Maui.
马尾椅 Yes.
I mean, it's a-
Yang Wei face Muslim.
Yeah, what Yang Wi is maybe tomb.
Yeah.
And then like it's got so many interesting places where you can have fun. You can eat some delicious Chinese food, and you can also try to take some local wine. It's a really
Yeah, yummy.
place. And you just found this place which has got so many traditional chairs, you know.
Yeah.
I think I need to show you guys around so that you can see what's happening over here. It's my first time to see this kind of a big chair. Look, it is so big and huge.
Yeah, this chair is so huge.
I wonder how many years and months it took.
Maybe it's 2 meters tall, right?
Yeah, it's so tall. Also the table, it is so strong.
Yeah.
This is like some kind of old infrastructure, or maybe old kind of art.
Table, yes.
So like a long time, these are the kind of sofas they were using, you know?
Yeah.
They have this kind of a sofa, look, like here. We've got this beautiful
Oh, this is a wooden sofa.
This is the traditional sofa, which
Yeah.
is just like this. So imagine...
没事，你坐，
没事，
不影响。Yeah.
Imagine you want to have dinner.
You can have a sleep here.
Yes.
Is it enough for you to sleep here? Yeah. Wow.
But it is so hard. By the time
It's so
I get
hard,
to
yeah.
work, I'm gonna have a headache.
It's good for your bone.
Yeah.
When I was a young boy, I always sleep on the hard bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a big table.
Traditional sofa, like 3-seater sofa. 1, 2, 3. With 2 side tables for the coffee.
Yeah.
Another side table for the coffee here.
Yeah.
And the traditional decoration of the tree.
Yep.
So beautiful. I can't
It's so
imagine.
beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Here in China, we visited this
这帮人过来。
place, and it's so beautiful. If you look here, I've got different
不玩这个呀。
我一会儿吧。
the clouds have dried up, and this is like a borehole where they used to fetch water a long time ago. So they tied it up with the traditional ropes, and then you could draw it like this. Chuba, Shoshin. Draw it until you get the water. So thank you for watching.
It's so cool.
Okay.